It's kind of vintage. My pretty bird cage, my pretty bird cage. Why am I needing to run away from my pretty little bird cage, my pretty little bird cage? Look at my pretty little bird cage. It is so quaint and quiet. Plenty of room to stretch my wings out. So why do I wanna be free from my pretty little bird cage? It is so cute and quaint. I think it's an antique. It's definitely vintage. Why do I need to run away from my pretty little bird cage? They never let me out anymore. I want to fly away from this pretty little bird cage. Pretty little bird cage, pretty little bird cage. Look at me in my pretty little bird cage. I want to break free from the safety of this pretty little bird cage. I got everything that I need, plenty of food and drink, plenty of cozy little perches at my feet. So why do I want to fly this pretty little bird cage? Oh, I want to fly away from this pretty bird cage. You never let me out to play anymore. Sing my song. want to leave. Oh,